What's up YouTube? It's your girl Emma Victoria. I'm back with another video, and your girl just achieved this look in 10 minutes doing the makeup challenge. So if you want to see how, just stay tuned. I'm gonna set my phone timer for 10 minutes and I'm gonna try to do my makeup, you guys. I have my makeup bag here with everything in it. Isn't it cute? So I'm about to set everything out in front of me, give myself like a little head start. But this is gonna be damn near impossible because it takes me an hour to do my makeup and I ain't even big on makeup. But like I have to take my time, so this is gonna be very interesting. I think I'm gonna try to do 1 minute per thing, like 1 minute on my eyebrows, 1 minute on applying foundation, 1 minute on concealer, 1 minute, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to strategize and do it like that, and we'll see what we can get done. I know for a fact I'm not gonna be able to put my lashes on within these 10 minutes because that's a whole 10 minutes by itself, boo. I don't have a mirror in front of me because I wanted to do this in front of the window, in front of the big window. So I'm out here and so I'm just gonna be using this little mirror, you guys. This is gonna be tough. It's gonna be real tough. I don't know how it's gonna work out. Okay, so I got my 10 minutes on there. Yee! I get nervous. I'm not gonna be able to do this, but it's gonna be funny to see how far I can get. Start. Okay, we gonna start on these eyebrows. Oh shit, they need plucking. Okay, so I can only spend 1 minute on my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna try to line the bottom. Oh my gosh, fucking up because I can't take my time. I'm kind of shaking, and normally my eyebrows are like beat for the gods, in my opinion. Oh honey, do you think I need to be plugged? I should have did that before the video. I'm using the Anastasia brow wiz. I used to use the dip brow, but now I'll just use this brow wiz pencil that I absolutely love. Okay, let's go now. Can we go now? I should play some music, but then I really be distracted. Okay, I'm about to finish up with this brow. Bada bing, bada bang, baby. Okay, it's not perfect how I would really want it, but best I could do. Shit, fucked up that bottom line. I have natural like arch, kind of like good perfect arch eyebrows almost. Like I don't get my eyebrows waxed or anything. Only thing I do to my eyebrows is pluck some hairs, pluck a few strands at the bottom. Other than that, I don't do shit to my eyebrows. I just fill in. It's such a beautiful day outside. Wish we weren't on freaking quarantine. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave those like that because I ain't got time. I ain't got time. I wish we wasn't on quarantine so I could go outside. So I'm gonna use, I'm just talking some random shit. 410 of the Fenty Beauty concealer to sculpt these bad boys to kind of bring them to life. Oh my gosh, I'm like, feel so fucking rushed. Can y'all see that? This is really like the color of my skin almost. Gotta go right now. Kinda fucked that one up. I kinda fucked that one up. See, I'm playing too much. About to blend this a little bit. My face is not gonna be well blended because I like to blend for days. The line is crooked. Fuck! Fuck, what the fuck? I fucked that up right there. I done fucked that up right there. That eyebrow a little too long. Let me sharpen that up. I need to put on foundation and keep it pushing. Put on the foundation. I use, what is this, 420? I use 420 Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I need more. I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Okay, we'll go with this. We'll go with this. I'm gonna make it work. Gotta blend, gotta blend. Gotta get that neck. Gotta get that neck. I don't know what I'm doing on time, but I feel like I only got 5 minutes left. Okay, we're just gonna go with this. Woo! Good night! 385. I like to use 385 to highlight with. Is that what? Yeah, highlight. I put a little bit of her. Share. Put a little bit of her. Yeah. There. There. What else? My nose. I gotta focus on my nose, so hold on. Okay. With the contour palette, the darkest shade. This is the powder. Whew, child, I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot, honey. One side always looks better than the other. Okay. Then I like to clean that up with this. Shouldn't have brought that in as far as I did, but whatever. All right. I don't know what I'm doing on time. I'm scared to check. I'm scared. I don't even want to look. Press this into my skin. These are Sephora brushes, by the way. Can y'all see what the fuck going on? Can y'all see what the fuck going on? I really don't know what the fuck I be doing, y'all. I'm sure you can tell that already. Yeah. Okay. Nose, 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 nose. This is not the right brush. Fuck. I'm not using the right brush that I wanted to use, but whatever. Who knows? Maybe this will work better. Ooh, child, look a mess. It's gonna come together now. It's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. Hopefully, I have enough time. What the fuck? I was doing good. I'm gonna hit repeat. So this is how far I got with 10 minutes, bitch, and I'm not even blending. See, I told y'all I wasn't gonna be able to do that. So shit. I hit repeat on my timer for another 10 minutes. So maybe, who the fuck can do their makeup in 10 minutes? You can't do a full face in 10 minutes. Hell no. You can put a little goddamn foundation. You can do your eyebrows, put a little foundation on, that's about it. Yeah, ain't no way in hell. How these folks. How these folks doing it? Nose contour ain't the best because I just kind of fucked up my lines. But let's go in and fix this so that it doesn't look so harsh. That's the way. I like like it. I'm also not setting my face because I don't have time. Okay, I don't think it looks that bad. I can do eyeliner. Even though I would want to put my eyelashes on first, y'all don't want to see how long it's gonna take me to do my eyelashes. So don't y'all hate making those weird faces when you try to do your oh the edges, honey. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Y'all don't talk about me. Now I'm gonna use this highlight palette by Anastasia as well, and I really think that's about it. I told y'all I don't do much. I love highlighter. This is highlighter, I think. I don't know. Highlight, contour, highlighter, all that shit. Why they gave that the same name? Put a little bit there. And then I like to put a little bit in the corner of my eye. Even though I should put my eyelashes on before I did that. This camera sucks. It's not doing me justice. Setting spray, Urban Decay. I go crazy with the setting spray. I don't know why. I just be going crazy with the setting spray. I already got lip gloss on. Could reapply some more. So basically, you guys, it took me 10 minutes. I have 4 minutes left. So basically it took me like 15 minutes. I would say it took me 15 minutes to do this. And if I wasn't talking, I probably could have gotten more done. All right, so I'm gonna go off camera, stick these eyelashes on really fast, and then I'll be right back. You guys, I'm so mad at myself. I'm back there trying to put these lashes on, and I realized a bitch ain't even finished contour. I was like, damn. I went in the bathroom, I was like, damn, why do I look a little funny? Like, something not right. I was like, girl, you didn't even finish putting the shit on. So I had to come back on camera and show y'all that I do like to go around my face like this with the contour. It does make a difference. So back to the lashes. So what's up, you guys? I'm back. I got my eyelashes on. I just feel like eyelashes make a look, period. I freaking love eyelashes. But anyways, this is me in natural lighting. I don't have my ring light on, just in front of the window. So this is what it looks like. This is it. This is it. This is all you get. Like, baby girl, it's quarantine. But anyways, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I just wanted to do that 10-minute makeup challenge, even though I failed. It took me like really 15 to 20, which isn't bad for this. Like, granted, I did not get to set. If y'all want a full makeup tutorial by moi, please comment below or give this video a thumbs up if you thought this video was funny, if you liked it or whatever. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. Stay safe out here in quarantine. Practice your social distancing. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Stay tuned for my next video.